Starting a business can be a challenging but rewarding experience. Here are 5 ways to start a business. Identify a need. Start by identifying a problem or a need that people have and figure out how you can solve it. Develop a business plan. Once you have identified a need, create a business plan that outlines your vision, mission, goals, and objectives. It should also include your target audience, marketing strategies, and financial projection. Choose a business structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its advantages and disadvantages, so it's essential to choose the one that suits your needs. Register your business. Register your business with the relevant authorities and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. This will vary depending on the type of business you are starting and your location. Secure funding. Determine how much money you will need to start and run your business. You can finance your business through personal savings, loans, grants, or crowdfunding. Consider reaching out to investors or venture capitalists if you need significant funding. Starting a business requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance, but it can be a fulfilling journey. With careful planning and execution, you can turn your dream into a successful business venture. Please subscribe my channel.